Hello everyone, here's something I find useful. This is from the clip-on lamp. I got rid of the lamp itself and the power cord and the plug. So I stripped everything else except this piece, the neck and the clamp. So it's called the clamp-on or clip-on lamp. And then you can see I can clamp here. And then I can move the different directions of the neck. And then this is to secure a tripod. So I get a little tripod like this, and then I can secure it to the top of the flexible neck. I will tape it on and secure it, or use the rubber bands to secure it, so I can put on top the camera. So altogether, is you find the cheapest component like these is probably less than 15 bucks. So you can have old ones like your old clip-on lamp that you can just strip everything else and leave the clamp and the flexible neck for this purpose. And then I will tape it on and put the camera on top. Any type of tripod is good. Smaller the better, lighter the better. So long it has a connector to connect to the underneath the camera to hold the camera at the place. Okay, so the tripod is attached to the neck of the clip-on lamp structure that I use to hold the tripod, and the camera is on the tripod, as you can see. So it'll be just like that. It will be easy to turn, to tilt, or to any angle that you like. So it's really simple. It's really simple to use. So let's try using the car. Okay, so here you can see I clip on the flap of the door of the compartment. So basically I open the compartment, so I have this flap to clip on. So it's like this. Let's see here. So this is a little flap here. You can also clip on here on the vent, so that you can have many places to clip on. And just pick the one that you like. And so this will be like right above the dashboard. So it will be like that. So you turn the camera on, and then you can record. As the camera can record like that. Now it's recording. So this is camera is recording the front in the car recording. So you can record more from the driver's viewpoint, include the panel of the car. You can also clip on the visor flap, so it's possible, it's light enough, if your camera is light enough, and the whole thing is light enough, and you can see this is another place that you can clip on, and you can turn to different angles to view around.
申请